Hey again, welcome to Hands on High Tech. Please like and subscribe below. I'm going to show you what we're working on in the shop today right here. All right, so we have a dog treat lid, and this was a decorative piece that went on this lid. And the bolt broke off inside here. Actually, as you can see, I drilled it out on my drill press. I'll show you the drill I used. And I actually, they didn't have a hole going through this, so I actually marked, and the way you do this, you mark two arches. So you pick an arch with a compass that is under the diameter, and you swing an arc, right? And you go to the other side and you swing an arc. And where those 2 points meet, here and here, draw a straight line, right? You do the same thing the other way and you draw a straight line, and where they cross is the center of that circle. That's just a quick way to do that. I drilled that hole out and obviously drilled the old bolt out of there, and I put a new one in. I made it really tight with the drills. And now you can see this just kind of sits on there, but it doesn't stick. So I've mixed me up some epoxy glue here, and I'm gonna fill that hole and stick it on here. And pretty much that's the fix. So pretty easy to do. This epoxy I use is this Weld JB. It's really good, about 5 minutes. So I did this a little bit ago, so I don't have a lot of time here to finish this up. So I'm gonna do it, and I'll show you what it looks like when I put it on there. But basically, I'll put it down the hole and on the threads here, and allow it to sit on this top. Okay, it took a little bit to get down the hole. I actually had to press, I use Popcycle sticks, really handy to have in the shop. I'll put a link for some. But basically, I use a piece of paper, mix the epoxy up, and then I stuck that on there really nice and solid. You can see it looks really good. So hopefully that stays this time. The last time I just tried to put it back on with the threads that were there. They didn't hardly stick up inside this piece, so now this time I drilled it out. So we'll give this a whirl, and I'll show you what it looks like on the can as a picture, maybe up top. But as I said, hey, like and subscribe. Pretty quick project in the shop, but I thought I'd just show it to you. Here's the final product. You see, it's coming on the lid. There it is.